So if you want to fix app not showing update on a Google Play Store, here what you can do is to go to your Play Store, and let me just show you one application like Instagram there. So if you just turn this on, as you can see, there is actually the Instagram application, but it doesn't have any update. So if you think there is an update, what you can simply do, go to your Instagram and simply tap on the uninstall button and try to reinstall it. All right, then you can get the latest version. Rather than that, there is no other safe way actually. So uh, you can say that we can go to any of the website and download a APK file, but which is sometimes get a virus or malware in your system. So I will not recommend that. So you can simply do uninstall on your Play Store and reinstall it. I will suggest that to do so. So that's how you can simply fix app not showing update on a Play Store. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.